Good afternoon, YouTube. I decided to end the hike at the connector here because although I could do the blue and red trail, I just don't want to push myself too tight on time as I'm walking here into Germantown to finish up. I want to have a little bit of time to relax. If it would have been an hour earlier, I would have did it, but that's okay. I got more than enough footage today. I'm getting footage of the connector trail in the snow, and you often see horses over here too in this pasture. So, you know, we're going to see some other parts of the TVT. Well, I filmed the neighborhood part of it before, so I really don't see any need to rehash that. And people are probably home right now, so no need to really probably rehash that today. I'll get another opportunity for a good view of the Twin Creek right over here or very soon. I have some right here over this barbed wire, but it's down a little bit of a ravine. But there's a couple other places here that I can get it where it's a safer passage. Snow's definitely a little thicker right here. You can tell. I don't think anybody's been down this for a few days because I don't see any signs of any footprints or boot prints. Don't see any signs of any deer tracks either right here. Just a little area where that just probably gets a little bit more muddy. Yep, this is as you're exiting Twin Creek Metro Park, and we go past the cement plant. I'm not going to really film that because that's really nothing to see there. Just a big industrial site. Yeah, the cement plant's right over there on the other side of the creek. And I'm just gonna continue on with this hike here and then keep on chugging. Yeah, none of the horses are out today. I don't know why, but none of the farmers or horses are out unless they're all inside the barn. Looks like I see a couple hay bales over there, but they're not out today. Which, if they can stay inside a warm, actually, I see two of them right there, possibly four of them. But they're not out here in the pasture today, or they're not further out here in the pasture like they sometimes are. I'm going to end this one right over here, then I'm going to get it one more video of the TVT. Video of the Twin Creek. Looks like I have seen some smaller animal footprints here. Can't tell exactly what that is, but something. Yeah, that's state route. Actually, I think I'm not exactly sure. It might be Route 4 above, but I think it's, hell, I don't know. I'm not even gonna, it's not important. I just know it's by the cement plant. It could be Route 4, but it's... It looks like there's 5 horses out there today. Unless those 2 are just standing really still. Actually, could be 4. No, those are... Yeah, they're all real. Looks like there's possibly 6 of them out there. Yep, they're all real. I think there's 6 of them out there. 2 on that one side, then 4 on the other side. They're not out in the pasture, roaming in the pasture today. They're just kind of hanging out. Yeah, they've got the hay on that feeder for them. They're just eating off the feeder. The 2 of them are. Yeah, there's 6 of them out today. See, the farmer rancher's got his trash cans out in red, white, and blue. Definitely some patriotic things, but yeah, here's the horses right here. Those might be water barrels, I'm not sure, but you could tell red, white, and blue. Yeah, I'm gonna start a video of the Twin Creek from over here. It's gonna be a little bit noisier because we'll have the road above, but that's just how it goes, you know. Nature sanctuary. Please respect private property. Trail crosses private land ahead on a recreation easement. Beware of livestock. Yep, beautiful day outside. Yeah, I'm gonna do one video from under here, then that's gonna be a wrap for today. I don't know, it's yeah, what the hell. That's it for this one.